Hi there, hi everyone. Welcome back with the second puzzle. In this evening, in additional of today's newspaper on Thursday, March the 30th, 2023, and I've already solved one puzzle, a 3 stars Sudoku. Three puzzles remain: the binary, the tectonic with 4 stars. In Dutch, they call it cipher block. In Japanese, suguru. And this one you are interested, the 4 stars Sudoku. Is this really 4 stars? We don't know, we will see. So let's get started. And this one will be number 6200. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 24 printed digits, one less than the previous Sudoku. Alright. Yeah. 24 printed digits. Let me position the camera first. Yeah. Alright. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers. Then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for a 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more. That's my time limit. 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars? We don't know. We will see. Let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 2 1s, 2 2s, 3 3s, 2 4s, 2 5s, 3 4 6s. All right. 3 7s, 2 8s, 3 9s. So the 6s are in majority. Can I start with the 6? That's my question. Well, will be difficult. Yeah, will be difficult. Well. Not true. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Missing numbers in this big square. One of missing numbers 6. We have a 6 in this row. No 6 in these 3 boxes. Here 6 in this column. Third column. No 6 in those 2 boxes. So the 6 in this big square. Could be here. Could be there. 6 in the third column, 6 in one of those 2 boxes in the second column. So in the first column, only 3 places left for the 6 will be here, or there. We see a 6 in the first row, no 6 there. Here 6 in the second row, no 6 there, so the only place left for the 6 should be there. Alright. 6, okay. 6. Yeah. 6. Well, 1. Well, 8. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column, so the column next only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9. 3. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in the second column, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. Here 3 in the second row, no 3 in those 2 boxes. So the 3 in this big square could be here, could be there. 3 in one of those 2 boxes in the first row, 3 in the row below. So so in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in the last row, so no 3 in these 3 boxes. Here 3 in this column, no 3 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 in this big square should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the last row, so the row will be 3. No, only 3 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in this column, no 3 there. Here 3 in the last column, no 3 there. So the only place left for the 3 should be there. Alright, 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column. So the column next, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3 in the middle row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so the row below, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3 in the second column, no 3 there, 3 should be there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with 3. Now we have a 3 here in the third column. So this box can be a 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. And all the 3s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 3. Okay. Alright. 4. Yeah. 7 in the third column. 7 in the first column. So the column between the second column, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We share 7 in this row. No 7 there. 7 should be there. 7. Okay. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have an 8 in this last row. So no 8 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 in this big square. Should be there. 8 in this column. 8 in the column next. So last column, the only place left for the 8. Should be there. 8. Well, cannot continue with the 8. 8. No. 1, 4, 6. 1, 4, 6. 1, 4, 6. 4, 6. 7, 2. Yeah, 6. Yeah. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1, 4, 6. 1, 4, 6. 1, 4, 6. Well, we have a 6 in this column, so no 6 there. Here, 6 in this column, so no 6 there. So the only place left for the 6 should be here. So the other 2 numbers should be the 1 and the 4. Alright. 1 and the 4, 1 and the 4. We have a 6. So we have a 6 in the last row, 6 in the row above. So that row, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here. Or there, we see a 6 in the last column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 in the last column, 6 in the column next. So that column, the only place left for the 6 should be there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 6. Now we have a 6 here in this row. So no 6 in that box. So 1 box left for the 6 should be there. Can I count? Yes. And all the 6s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 6. Alright. Okay. 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing. The 2 is missing. The 3 and the 4 is missing. 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4. And look, we have 1 in this column, so no 1 there. Here, 1 in the last column, so no 1 there. So the only place left for the 1 in this row should be there. So the 2 and the 4 are left. The 2 and the 4. Well, cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. But we have a 1 in this row. 1 in one of those 2 boxes in the last row. So the row between, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1 in the last column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1, 1. 1, 1. 1, 1. Need to wait. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing number in this row is the number 9. We have a 9 in this big square, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. So the 9 in this row could be here, could be there. Here or there. You see another 9 in this column. No 9 there. 9 should be there. Alright. 9. 9 in this row. 9 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9 in the first row. 9 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in the third column. No 9 there. 9 9 should be there. 9 in this column, first column, 9 in the third column. So the column between, second column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this row. No 9 there, 9 should be there. Can I count? Yes. And all the 9s are used. I can see. Digit number 3. Number 9. Okay. Alright. Well. 2, 8, 5, 2, 8, 5, 2, 8, 5. 2, 4. 2, 4, 8, 2, 4, 8, 4, 4. 2, 4. I'm thinking. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 2. We have a 2 in the middle row, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 in this big square should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left for the 2 should be there. Well, 1, 2, 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers 2. We have a 2 in this row, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 in this big square should be there. 1 box left in this row. For the number, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have a 4 in the second column, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 8 goes there. Yeah. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have a 5 in the first column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 8 goes there. 8 in the first column, 8 in the second column. So the third column, no, only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in the second row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in the first row, 8 in the second row. So the third row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 3 places left for the 8 should be here or there. Here or there. We see another 8 in this row, so no 8 there. Here an 8 in the middle row, no 8 there. So the only place left for the 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see. Digit number 4, number 8. Wait. Okay. Now. 1 box left in the third column for number 1. The 2 is missing. 2 in this row, 2 in the second row. So the first row, only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in this column, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. 2 in this column, 2 in the column next. So last column, only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and the 7, 5 and the 7. We have a 5 in the last row, so no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 7 goes there. 1 box left in the last column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. Then 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and 5, 4 and 5, 4 and 5. We have a 5 in the middle row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Then 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers. The 1, The 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and 5, 4 and 5. We have a 4 in this second row. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 5. It goes and there. One box left in this row for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 1 and a 4, we have a 4 now in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 1 goes in there. 1 box left in this column for number 1. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1 and a 7, 1 and a 7, 1 and a 7. We have a 1 in the first row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 7 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 1 and 5, 1 and 5. We have a 1 in the first row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 1 box left in the third row for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 5 in this column, 5 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in the middle row, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and 7, 4 and 7. We have a 4 in the second row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Finish in 17 minutes. Exactly the same time as the last puzzle. Previous Sudoku. 4 stars? No. Well, no. I'm faster than 20 minutes, so let me give this a 2 stars. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles, the binary and the tectonic. Until then, bye-bye for now.